Has there ever been a time when your friend is going too high on the swing? Has there ever been a time when your friend was stuck in the tree? Has there ever been a time when your friend is about to get run over? Has there ever been a time when your friend is about to get flown away by an umbrella? Has there ever been a time when your friend fell off the scooter and couldn't get up?
Help! I've fallen and I can't get up!
Has there ever been a time when your friend won't stop crying?
Girl, get up! Sorry! See you later!
Has there ever been a time when your friend is suicidal?
I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it! You can't stop me. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I can't live anymore. No!
The next day.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You can't stop me. I gotta do it. No!
The next day.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You can't stop me. I'm gonna do it. I can't live anymore. I'm gonna do it. Bye.
Has there ever been a time where a friend is too obsessed with her looks?
Tonight, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna go to the movies.
Girl, we have to go now. We're 15 minutes late.
Does my hair look good?
Yeah, it does. Let's go.
But no, it's not good enough.
Allie, we have to go.
No,
we have to go. We have to go.
No, we're not. I have to get ready. Don't look good enough?
Allie, you've been ready for like 3 hours now.
No, I haven't seen my hair. It's all frizzy.
We are 50 minutes late. We have to go.
Girl, my hair!
Has there ever been a time when your friend has developed Tourette's?
Hey, Allie. Shit, damn it! Damn it!
Lawnmowers in theaters November 20th, 2010.
Warning, this video is rated sexual.
It's okay, I'm good.